What's up, friends? You know, I want to talk to you quickly about perception and gratitude. And if you wrap your mind around what I'm about to tell you, I think you're going to be able to accomplish some pretty amazing things. But I want to tell you a story. Right behind me here, Lake Ontario. I was born and raised here, upstate New York. Spent half my life here. Moved to Vegas, lived there for 22 years, came back home. And when I was a kid, I always wanted to have my own cottage right on the water, like literally right on the water. So I've been actively pursuing purchasing a cottage. Now, I haven't bought real estate in 15 years. I was in Vegas during the epicenter of the housing market crash, so I'm a little gun shy, you know? But it's different times now and things are a lot better. But the laws have changed. I didn't realize how much they have changed, right? So I have to get qualified for a mortgage. I found this beautiful cottage, like the exact cottage I'm looking for, perfect. And I want to buy it. So I have to get qualified for a mortgage. Well, I didn't know this. Well, I'm self-employed. I've been incorporated for almost a year. So I go to apply for a mortgage. And I didn't realize it, but you have to show, if you're self-employed, you have to show 2 years of self-employment wages on your taxes. Well, guess what? I don't have it. I can't do it. That cottage that I wanted is gone. And it sure as hell isn't going to be there in a year. It's gone. That perfect cottage that was meant to be is gone forever. But I didn't get pissed. You know what? I was grateful. And I said thanks. You know why? I said, thanks for getting me this much closer to where I'm supposed to be. That cottage wasn't supposed to happen. Look, you're watching this right now. You're here in this very moment in time for everything that's happened in your life. Every decision you've made, everything that's been given to you, but more importantly, everything that hasn't been given to you has brought you right here to this very moment in time. You know why? Because when you didn't get those things, you persevered and you found another way to get where you wanted to be, right? You know, we're on this planet for our heartbeat. We're writing our story. We're forging ahead every day. We don't know how this story ends. You cannot waste your time being pissed off about things that didn't go your way. Instead, you have to put it in your head that you're being pushed in a direction that's meant to be. You understand? Change the way you perceive things that don't go your way and change your gratitude. If shit doesn't go your way and you don't get the things you want, don't get pissed. Be happy. Be happy because that means you're that much closer to being where you're supposed to be. You get it? When you change your perception and your gratitude, man, it's limitless what can happen. And it's exciting because you're always being pushed in a direction that you never even thought sometimes. And on that other side, it's pretty amazing. So trust me when I tell you, change your perception. Be grateful when things don't go wrong, or when they do go wrong, I'm sorry. And know that there's something better coming. And when you do that and you think like that, I guarantee you, you're going to find what you're looking for.